Hello sir, good day. My name is Din Markinsong, your student of Engine Watchkeeping. I am here today to discuss the topic about the safety and emergency procedures during changeover of control main engine and steering gear system. What is local or emergency maneuvering on ship? Most of the important machineries on ship are always provided with emergency backup standby system which can be used in case of failure of the main unit. Even power supplies of the essential machineries are provided with emergency generator. Marine engine is also provided with emergency maneuvering control system in case the remote control system fails to operate. Local maneuvering inside engine room. If the remote control maneuvering system fails to operate from both the remote station, bridge, and ECR, or the governor of the main marine engine goes faulty, additional safety is given to main marine engine by providing the local maneuvering control system. When the ship is narrow channel under maneuvering, then it is very important for all the engine room crew to know that changeover and operating procedure for local or emergency control failure. Failure in knowing the remote control maneuvering system can lead to accident like collision and grounding. Changeover procedure. The changeover procedure can be done with marine engine in stop as well as running condition. But if the situation permits, it is the better to be done when the engine is stopped. First, change control from wheelhouse to ECR, and both the telegraph on wheelhouse and ECR are to be in stop position. Bring the fuel lever of wheelhouse and ECR in stop position. A changeover switch is provided in the ECR. Operate the switch from ECR to local. Go to the local changeover the fuel pump control shaft from local to manual. A cone clutch arrangement or a mechanical lever arrangement that may be provided depending upon the engine type, which acts as manual control when attached to handwheel for operating fuel rack. A locking pin or clip may be provided for the above arrangement as an additional safety so that it should not come out in normal operation. Procedure for starting emergency steering system. An emergency steering system, as the name suggests, it is a system which is used during the failure of the main steering system of the ship. The article explains as to what exactly is the steering system and what the procedure for starting the emergency steering system is. What is emergency steering? A ship consists of electromechanical steering gear unit which steers the vessel from one port to the other. Normally, steering gear unit is 2 or 4 ram hydraulically operated unit with 2 or more hydraulic motor for the ram movement. Procedure for emergency steering operation. The following points should be followed for emergency steering operation. The procedure and diagram for operating emergency steering should be displayed in steering gear, room, and bridge. Even in emergency situation, we cannot turn the massive rudder by hand or any other means. And that's why a hydraulic motor is given a given given a supply from the emergency generator directly through emergency switchboard. SOLAS regulation. It is should also be displayed in the steering room. Ensure a clear communication for emergency operation via BHF of ship's telephone system. Normally, a switch is given in the power supply panel of steering gear for telemotors. Switch off the supply from the panel. Change the mode of operation by selecting the switch for the motor which is supplied emergency power. There is a safety pin at the manual operation. Helms will show that during a normal operation, the manual operation always remains in cut-off mode. Remove that pin. A helm's wheel is provided which controls the flow of oil to the rams with a rudder angle indicator. Wheel can be turned clockwise or anti-clockwise for going port or starboard or vice versa. If there is a power failure through sun power, sorry, through sun power, telephone receive orders from the bridge for the rudder angle. As soon as you get the orders, turn the wheel and check the rudder the rudder system into the rudder angle indicator. And emergency situation on ship controls can be regained as soon as possible to avoid collision and grounding. And that's all, sir, for today. Thank you.